Hello, I'm Peterson Goodwin from DIYRecordingEquipment.com. Today I'm sitting on my porch to get a little fresh air. I was inside all day building this. It's a passive summing mixer built into a 2-rack unit panel. And this project was really fun. I think it's really cool because basically at a glance you can look at it and see exactly what it does. We're just taking 16 line inputs, running them to some bus wires via resistors, and then out to XLR outputs, which will go to mic preamps. So this is another super simple, cheap, and easy project that adds something really simple and functional to your studio, and depending on the preamps you pair it with, can really add something nice to the sound of your mixes. So I'm going to show you how to build one for well under $100 and probably in just a couple hours time. Alright, here we go! Okay, let's take a look at the layout. I've got 2 rows of 8 1/4-inch jacks here for 16 channels. And so this is all going to be the left channels, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. And these are the right channels, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. We're going to have bus wires here going eventually to these XLR output jacks where the summed signal will go to the mic preamps. To hold the bus wires, I've got 1.25 inch nylon standoffs. They're nylon so that we can insulate the bus wires from the chassis and from each other. Let's put it together. First step is to connect all the ground pins of each jack together. As you can see here, I'm just using small wires in between each one. This is actually the hardest part of the whole project, I think, and here's the finished ground wiring. Okay, next we're going to bend one end of the resistors like this and put them in the T and R, or hot and cold pins, of all the input jacks. And I'm just going to let them lie there, just let them fall back, and that puts them in a good position to solder them. Then we can bend them to the right position after we do the soldering. And trimming the leads. Okay, now I'm going to put in the bus wires using standoffs and locking washers to hold the bus wire on there, and then I'm going to solder just the resistors from the tip pin to this bus wire. Then next we'll do that for all of the resistors coming from the ring pins, and then for the remaining channels. Trimming the excess leads. And this is what it should look like up close. As you can see, all the tip resistors are going to one bus wire and all the rings are going to another one. And here we have a shunt resistor to set the output impedance. That will depend on how many channels you use and what your desired output impedance is. That goes between the 2 bus wires of each channel. And then finally we're going to wire the bus wires up to the XLR jacks, making sure to do the tip wire to pin 2 and the ring wire to pin 3 of the XLR jack. And that's it. The link below this video has everything you need to know about the bill of materials, step-by-step guide, and the schematic and stuff like that. Also, it's the place to order 8-channel and 16-channel complete kits for this project, if you'd like to go that direction. And my sincerest thanks to the DIY community, especially New York Dave, Fred Forcell, and the people who have helped spread information about how to make this project. So thanks a lot. Please subscribe, check out my website, and I'll see you next time.